Hello, I'm Belinda Davies. I'm the Chief Superintendent here in Cardiff. On Saturday the 13th of August 2016, South Wales Police will be marching at this year's Pride Cymru to show support and solidarity for the LGBT community of South Wales. Each year, thousands of people and their families come into Cardiff for this event to celebrate equality and diversity. And I'm absolutely delighted and proud to be taking part in this year's march, together with my colleagues from across the Force area. Why is Pride important? Well, Pride's important to me personally. It's a positive and it's a very visible stance against discrimination and violence towards lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender people. Its primary aim is to promote dignity, equality of rights. It certainly increases the visibility as a social group, and it builds communities celebrating sexual diversity and gender variance. Now this year we will be proud to unveil a rather special and new addition to our Force fleet. It's our very own LGBT branded vehicle. So please look out for it, take a selfie next to it, and I promise to retweet as many as I can. Now I am proud to work for an organisation that has a genuine, long and proud tradition of policing strong and diverse communities. Being part of events such as Pride Cymru help us as a police service reinforce our commitment to the lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender communities. But remember, hate crime and incidents are totally unacceptable and they will not be tolerated. I make a personal plea to anyone who is subject to or witness to any form of hate crime or incident, please report the matter straight away. I want you to have confidence that you will be treated in a very professional manner by staff who genuinely take pride in the communities we're here to serve. So finally, I will see you on Saturday the 13th of August 2016 at our superb Pride Cymru celebrations in our wonderful capital city. And don't ever forget, love always conquers hate. Thanks for listening. See you on the 13th.